How Facebook Marketplace works. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today, we're diving into the world of online marketplaces, and more specifically, Facebook Marketplace. If you've been wondering how to buy or sell items locally on Facebook, then this video is for you. What is Facebook Marketplace? Think of Facebook Marketplace as your neighborhood classifieds, but online and with a much larger reach. It's a platform where people can buy, sell, and trade items with each other locally. Whether you're looking for furniture, electronics, clothes, or even cars, you'll find a wide variety of options. How does Facebook Marketplace work? It's pretty straightforward. To sell an item, you simply create a listing, including details like the item's condition, price, and location. You can also add photos to make your listing more appealing. Once your listing is live, potential buyers can contact you to express interest. To buy an item, you search for the type of product you're interested in and your location. You'll see a list of available items, complete with photos, descriptions, and prices. When you find something you like, you can contact the seller directly to negotiate and arrange a meeting. Tips for selling on Facebook Marketplace. 1. Promote your product. Write a compelling description that highlights the key features and benefits of your item. Use high-quality photos to showcase its condition. 2. Find your customer. Target your audience by using relevant keywords and hashtags in your listing. Consider promoting your listing to your friends and followers on Facebook. 3. Build communication. Respond promptly to inquiries and be transparent about the item's condition. Arrange a convenient time and place for the buyer to inspect the item. 4. Make a deal. Be open to negotiation, but be firm on your bottom line. Once you agree on a price, create a legal agreement to protect both parties. 5. Post-sale. Follow up with the buyer after the sale to ensure their satisfaction. Positive feedback can help you build a reputation as a reliable seller. Tips for buying on Facebook Marketplace. 1. Do your research. Check the seller's profile and reviews to see if they have a good reputation. 2. Inspect the item. Always inspect an item in person before making a purchase. Look for any defects or damage. 3. Negotiate wisely. Be prepared to negotiate the price, but be respectful and fair. 4. Secure payment. Use a secure payment method, such as PayPal or cash, to protect yourself from scams. 5. Meet in a public place. When meeting with a seller, choose a public location for safety. Facebook Marketplace is a convenient and effective way to buy and sell items locally. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of a successful transaction. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring Facebook Marketplace today. If you have any questions about Facebook Marketplace or need more advice, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.